Here we come to the elevator at JCPenney at Woodlands Mall in the Woodlands, Texas. This looks exactly like the same design at First Colony Mall. And the button sticks. This is Schindler from 1998. And the indicator does not work. It's simply having a wonderful Christmas time from Paul McCartney. And yeah, it did not light up, but it did ring though. 2. Alright, let's go on the 1. That button's kind of stick. Surprised that it's not busy like all the other elevators are. There's your phone. Simply wonderful, simply having a wonderful Christmas time. Well, I hope you are, but at the time I upload this video, it's already going to be after Christmas. So thanks for watching. That'll be it.